Hello everyone, this is Dong. Hope all are well and safe. I am here to introduce to you an amazing Huawei product, the Huawei MateBook X. I will be showing you the amazing 3 key features. The MateBook X comes with an ultra slim, aesthetic design for premium looks, with a weight of 1 kilogram. MateBook X is highly portable to carry around, smaller than an E4 paper. The MateBook X offers Huawei Full View display with 3000 by 2000 high resolution and 90% screen to body ratio. Allows you to have crispier, sharper, and uninterrupting viewing experience. To enhance your experience, MateBook X support the Huawei multi-screen collaboration technology. With just a simple tap, your smartphone and Huawei MateBook X will transform into one super device even without internet connection. Your phone screen appears on your MateBook, which allows you to control your smartphone. You can drag and drop files, use your mobile application, and reply to calls and messages in real time. This cross-device collaboration makes life and work much easier. All of these features are powered by the Intel 10th generation CPU, providing you high performance to keep up with your daily tasks. So go ahead and experience the amazing Huawei MateBook X in any of the local shop. Don't forget to like my video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you next time.